With resellerspanel.com, you are always in full control of your reseller hosting business. We make sure that you have instant access to all the statistical information that you need, with an integrated statistics section included as part of our free reseller hosting program. Resellers Panel gives you a wide variety of web hosting services for you to resell. Virtual private servers, dedicated servers, web hosting accounts, and semi-dedicated servers. So, detailed information on this huge range of products is essential. With general website statistics for your reseller store, you can keep track of how many unique and returning visitors that you have. The difference between these two stats can help you create a more targeted marketing strategy and monitor its effects. Reselling is not just about attracting new visitors to your site. You need to keep your existing customers interested too. With the sales statistics feature, you will have much greater overview of your reseller hosting business. Resellers Panel gives you comprehensive information on all of your web hosting clients, like any upcoming payments, for example, and you can be kept informed 24/7. So, stay in the know and stay in control with resellerspanel.com.